Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Forestri Health, where we explore holistic wellness practices rooted in nature. Today, we're covering the profound philosophy of yoga, specifically focusing on the 8 limbs of yoga and how to incorporate them into our daily lives for enhanced well being. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. Bhagavad Gita. Yoga is more than just physical postures. It's a comprehensive system that encompasses mental, physical, and spiritual practices. The 8 limbs of yoga, as outlined by the sage Puntajuli in the Yoga Sutras, offer a guide to lead a purposeful and fulfilling life. We'll explore each limb and how to integrate them into our daily routine. The first limb, yama, outlines ethical principles governing our interactions with others and the world. Practicing ahimsa, nonviolence, satya, truthfulness, asteya, non-stealing, brahmacharya, celibacy, and aparigraha, non-greed or attachment, can be integrated daily. For instance, practicing kindness towards oneself and others, speaking truthfully, and practicing moderation in all aspects of life. Niyama, the second limb, focuses on self discipline and personal observances. Saucha, cleanliness, Santosha, contentment, Tapas, self discipline, Svadhyaya, self study, and Ishvara Pranidhana, surrender to a higher power, can be embraced daily. Taking time for self reflection, cultivating contentment, and practicing gratitude are great ways to embody niyama. Asana, the third limb, refers to physical postures practiced in yoga. Engaging in various yoga poses not only promotes physical flexibility and strength, but also fosters mental calmness and balance. Incorporating a daily yoga practice, even if it's just a few minutes, helps align the body, mind, and spirit. Pranayama, the fourth limb, involves breath control. Conscious breathing techniques like deep belly breathing, alternate nostril breathing, and Kapalbhati can be practiced daily. These techniques help calm the mind, reduce stress, and enhance vitality by regulating the flow of life force energy in the body. Pratyahara, the fifth limb, is about withdrawing from external stimuli to turn our focus inward. Taking breaks from screens, practicing mindfulness, or spending time in nature without distractions helps cultivate inner awareness and mental clarity. Dharna, the sixth limb, involves concentration. Focusing the mind on a single point, such as a mantra, a candle flame, or the breath, enhances mental focus and clarity. Daily meditation, or simply concentrating on daily tasks mindfully, embodies dharna. Dhyana, the seventh limb, is meditation. Continuously maintaining a state of meditation where the mind is clear, focused, and undisturbed fosters a deeper connection with oneself and the universe. Practicing meditation daily, even for a few minutes, promotes inner peace and clarity. Samadhi, the final limb, refers to a state of complete absorption and bliss. While it might seem unattainable, moments of samadhi can be experienced during deep meditation or when fully immersed in an activity you love, where the ego dissolves and there's a profound sense of oneness and joy. Integrating these 8 limbs of yoga into our daily lives is a transformative journey towards holistic well being. By embracing these principles and practices, we can cultivate harmony within ourselves and with the world around us. Thank you for watching. I hope this information is useful to you. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more holistic living tips. Remember, as we explore the path of yoga, every small step counts towards a more balanced, joyful, and fulfilling life. Until next time, embrace the essence of yoga in your daily life and stay connected with the healing power of nature.